Alright y'all, Pinks and Greens, Lawns and Gardens again. I'm back today with another garden bed that I've been tasked to do. Basically, I'm just going to clean it out and we're going to replace some of these timbers right here. Alright, so I'm going to give y'all a quick view. So this is what we're working with, okay? See how those timbers have dry rotted right there? What we're going to do is just clean out this bed. And then we're going to replace some of these timbers. Now, he doesn't have all of the ones that he needs, but we're going to do the best we can with what we got. Alright? So, this is just a quick little walk around so you can see what we got going on with this garden bed. Alright? Got some new stuff coming in. I don't know. This is not my flower bed, so I don't know what's happening. Alright? Then he has some nandanas here. I wanted to shape them up, get them all down to the same level, but he said he was going to snatch them out, so we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to basically clean out, make it look good, and if he should do some stuff within the coming week, I'll go ahead and record that too. Alright y'all, so the front part of that bed basically didn't have a whole lot of weeds or anything, so I kind of just raked up everything and cleared that out. But this section right here is what I'm excited about. It has quite a few weeds in there and some grass growing up through there, so we're going to be doing a lot of plucking and twisting and turning. Use my special little tool. A bee tried to get me, sorry. I'm going to use my special little tool and twist up the soil, loosen it up so I can get some of these weeds out a lot easier without disturbing his stuff that is actually supposed to be in there. Okay, here we go. Alright, so I think y'all get the gist of what I'm doing with this. Turning it, loosening up the soil, then I can pluck up the grass and weeds a lot easier. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this bed and then we'll start removing these and replacing them. Alright y'all, so can you see how the weeds was choking these out? That's what the weeds will do. They'll take the nutrients from the flowers that you want to flourish. So all of that came out of there. And now it's free to grow and be beautiful. Just a quick glance of how the bed is now cleaned out. I got most of the soil churned over. And then I also have it pulled back from the edges, as you can see, so that I can go ahead and start measuring and cutting so that I can put this first layer down. So it looks fairly good, don't it, y'all? And of course he's going to put in a fresh top layer of mulch after he does some more planting. The landscape timbers were really rotting here, so I had to go ahead and take them out. And here's one right here also. And that's how they're going to be attached. So you're going to see me take them apart at some point. This is the bottom layer, and we're going to put one on top of this one, so it's going to be stacked with two. But this is what we're looking like right now. And then if y'all see that right there, yeah, I'm just going to push that in a little bit, but we will do that when we do our second row, because we're going to use rebar or long nails to, you know, secure them into the ground. All right, so it's starting to rain now. I got to shut it down now, but y'all kind of get to see what's going on here, okay? So of course, with it raining now, it's gonna have to be a part 2. Alright people, we managed to get that done. I know for a few seconds you didn't see me, but I was back here doing a little cutting. I know you missed me. Alright, so let's just take a look at what we got now. Alright, remember this is the first layer. Of course, remember we've got to level it. Then we're going to put a second row on top of it. And some of this where you see some sort of miter cuts, that's not going to matter that it's not perfect right now, because once we do the top row, we'll get it nice and sweet looking for you, okay? Alright, I think he'll be pleased. He is free of weeds, grass, any kind of crazy little animals. And then of course we do have to do these back here, but these are in pretty good shape. They're usually dry. The other ones were sitting down in the soil, so that makes them rot quicker. But this is what we got, people. Alright, if you like these kind of videos, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, tell me what you think. Give me some suggestions or give me some compliments. It really helps out the algorithm when you respond and comment and engage with me. That lets YouTube know that, hey, somebody likes these videos, and they might send them out to more people. Alright, I thank y'all. Think about subscribing to the channel, joining the family, and to my already family, I appreciate you. You know, I love you. I couldn't do a lot of this without you. And I do appreciate your support all the time. All right, take care. Be blessed.